CVT versus automatic transmission. Pros, cons, and longevity explained. If you're choosing between a car with a CVT and a traditional automatic transmission, you've probably heard two completely opposite opinions. Some people say CVTs are smooth, efficient, and modern. Others say they're fragile, expensive, and won't last past 100,000 miles. So what's the truth? Is a CVT really worse than a regular automatic, or is it just misunderstood? And, most importantly, which one actually lasts longer in real-world driving? Let's break it down simply, without marketing talk and without myths. CVT Pros. A CVT, or continuously variable transmission, doesn't use fixed gears like a traditional automatic. Instead, it constantly adjusts its ratio to keep the engine in the most efficient range possible. The biggest advantage of a CVT is smoothness. There are no gear shifts, no shift shock, and no hesitation between gears. In city driving, especially stop-and-go traffic, this makes the car feel very refined and easy to drive. Another major benefit is fuel efficiency. Because the engine can stay at its optimal RPM, CVTs often deliver better MPG than traditional automatics. This is one reason why manufacturers like Toyota, Honda, and Subaru use CVTs in many economy-focused models. CVTs are also mechanically simpler in theory. Fewer gears, fewer moving parts, and a compact design mean lower weight. This helps with fuel economy and emissions compliance. For calm drivers who prioritize comfort, smooth acceleration, and daily commuting, a well-designed CVT can feel almost invisible, and that's exactly what some people want. CVT Cons. Now let's talk about the problems, because this is where most people get burned. The biggest weakness of a CVT is durability under stress. CVTs don't like aggressive driving, towing, or sudden high-torque loads. Hard acceleration, frequent full-throttle launches, and heavy loads put extreme stress on the belt or chain inside the transmission. Another issue is heat sensitivity. CVTs rely heavily on clean fluid and proper cooling. If the fluid degrades or overheats, internal wear accelerates fast, sometimes silently. Repairability is also a serious downside. Many CVTs are not rebuild-friendly. When something fails, the repair often means a full replacement, not a partial rebuild. That's why CVT repairs can be very expensive compared to traditional automatics. And finally, there's the driving feel. The rubber band sensation, where engine RPM rises but speed increases slowly, is something many drivers hate. It feels unnatural, especially to people used to normal gear shifts. Automatic transmission pros. A traditional automatic transmission, especially one with a torque converter, has been around for decades, and there's a good reason it's still widely used. The biggest advantage is strength and durability. Automatics are designed to handle torque. They tolerate aggressive driving, towing, uphill loads, and long highway runs much better than most CVTs. They also offer a more natural driving feel. Gear changes provide feedback. Acceleration feels connected. For many drivers, this makes the car feel more predictable and more mechanical in a good way. Another major plus is repairability. Traditional automatics can often be rebuilt. Individual components like solenoids, valve bodies, or clutches can be replaced without swapping the entire unit. From a longevity standpoint, a well-maintained automatic transmission can easily reach 200,000 miles or more, especially in vehicles designed for durability rather than maximum efficiency. Automatic transmission cons. That said, automatics are not perfect. They are generally less fuel efficient than CVTs, especially in city driving. Gear changes mean the engine doesn't always operate at its ideal RPM. They are also heavier and more complex internally. More parts mean more potential wear points, especially if fluid changes are neglected. In older designs, shift quality can degrade over time, leading to rough shifts, delayed engagement, or slipping if maintenance is ignored. And while the repairs are often possible, they are still not cheap. A badly damaged automatic transmission can be just as expensive to fix as a CVT. Conclusion: which one lasts longer? If we're talking purely about longevity, the answer is simple. A traditional automatic transmission is generally more durable and more forgiving in real-world conditions. It handles abuse better, lasts longer under heavy use, and offers more repair options. A CVT can last a long time if it's driven gently, maintained properly, and not overloaded. But it has a smaller margin for error. Miss fluid changes, overheat it, or drive aggressively, and its lifespan drops quickly. So, the real question isn't which transmission is better. It's how do you drive, and how long do you plan to keep the car? If you want efficiency, smoothness, and calm daily driving, CVT makes sense. If you want durability, towing capability, and long-term ownership, a traditional automatic is usually the safer bet.